I'm doing a small review on some Spudgers. The name's actually kind of funny. They're called Donkey Emma. You get 4 of them for a couple of bucks. Well, I think 15 bucks, whatever. I'll leave a link in the description. If you're looking for these, good for opening tablets and whatnot. I picked them up because they're cheap. But the fact that they call them Donkey Emmas is hilarious. Let's see if I can actually get this open with one hand. Probably not. Wait a minute. Actually, they're not that bad. They've got plastic housing on each side. What a stupid name. The opening tool. The metal feels pretty good. Can take a little bit of abuse and bounce back. The plastic is a nice touch, though. It feels better on the hands. Not much more I can really say about them. If you're looking for them and you don't mind the stupid name, they're actually pretty good. Let's grab a tablet and see how easy they are to use. For that problematic tablet, let's see if we can. It slides in there pretty good. Doing this with one hand, spudging. Not easy to do. Let's try this side. Spudge is pretty good though, it gets in there. And you can do more than one. Actually, let's see if we can actually open this up with just the spudgers. Let me give you gotta mount you onto something. Hopefully you can see. Let's spudge the hell out of this thing. This is an Amazon tablet that I've been playing around with. It's got the water damage error on it, and I'm trying to charge it. You can see that without plugging it into the USB, which actually I got it to do. But I wasn't going to share anything until I get it fully tested, which I've been doing. There it goes. Yeah, they get in there pretty good. They're not supposed to be super stiff. You gotta have a little bit of pliable. They gotta be pliable. Go. It's working. Yep, they work. Not a bad little tool for a couple of bucks. I'll leave a link in the description. But that opened up pretty easy. It's good to have more than one. But as you can see, it's not totally bent out of shape. Not bad. Take it easy.